When other people have successes or things that we want, it can make us envious. Hi, I'm Dana Zellers and I'm a corporate coach, and today I wanted to give you a few tips on dealing with envy. Tip 1, remember you're not seeing the whole picture. So we tend to see these successes and purchases and possessions in isolation, and we don't know what's going on in these people's lives. We don't know everything that they're doing to make these things happen, and we don't know what other sacrifices they're making. And so by remembering that this is just one sliver of the reality, it can help put things in perspective. Tip 2, figure out what you want. So envy can actually be a great tool to realizing what's important to you. When you see things that other people have that you want, what is it about them that you want? Is it a promotion? Do you want more money? Do you want more responsibility? Is it buying a house and you really want the safety of that, or you want the space? And start breaking apart some of those things that you're looking at in other people and figure out whether that's something that you want in your plan. Tip 3, practice gratitude. So this is a favorite, but it's so helpful to spend a little time with introspection. What are the things that I have in my life? What are the things that I've chosen to have in my life because they're valuable to me? And those choices have set me up with the life that I have. So take a moment to really think about what's awesome about you, what you're accomplishing, and all the amazing things that you have. The first step with all of these really is noticing. Once you notice that you're having these feelings, you can make new choices as to how you want to deal with them. I'm Dana Zellers, and if you'd like to talk more about how coaching can get you on the path to what you want, please reach out.